Hi everyone. In this session, I'm going to discuss about the Power BI installation steps. So before we install the Power BI desktop, first let's understand what are the prerequisites for the installation. So what kind of OS we should have and what kind of configuration we should have. Just let's understand first. Okay. So first let's understand what are the OSs BA Power BI support for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1, Windows Server 2008, 2012, and 2012 Art. All these OSs, any one of these OS if you have, you are able to install the Power BI desktop. Okay, and to download the Power BI desktop, what is the requirement in the web? Basically, to download this, you should have Internet Explorer R and 9 or higher. Okay, and you'll have two options. So if your system is configured as a 32-bit, then you can still download a 32-bit version of Power BI desktop, and if it is a 64, you can use the 64-bit version. So even here, you can select the language as well. If you belongs to English or some other countries, there are the options. Based on that, you can download the Power BI desktop. First, let's understand where can we download this software. So you're looking here, right? There is a URL I have given. So www.microsoft.com en underscore us download details. If you click on this, whichever the URL I have given here, so it will take you to the next step. Okay, once just copy paste this is in the Google or Internet Explorer, anything is fine. So once you just click on this, then the URL open in this window. So just observe carefully here. You are able to see that, like, say if this is a window, you'll be able to see once you paste that URL in the Google. So here you have options to select language. So if you belongs to, if you are interested in English, just select English, or there are the multiple options you have. Just look at here, then you'll have a better idea. So when you see here, see there is a lot of languages they have given here. Just first before download, we have to select any one language. So now I'm interested to go with the English. So just I'm selecting the English. So once you select that, just click on download button. Here we have a download option. Just click on it. Once you click on that, the next window will pop up like this. So are you able to see here? So there is a two MSI files. So one is 64-bit, another one is a 32-bit. Here you have to decide based on your system configuration which has to download. So let's think, according to my requirement, my system has been configured with the 64-bit. So I'm interested to just download the 64-bit. In case if your system is belongs to 32-bit, then please select the other option. So you can able to see the what size of this. So Power BI, Tableau, all these are reporting tools, all are like in-memory tools. In-memory is nothing but it is based on your RAM. These tools will work. All the processing will happen in the RAM. So at least according to this size, minimum you should have a, if you have a minimum 2 GB RAM laptop, that is well and good. So for processing and all, it will be at least good. So there no need 8 GB 10 GB is minimum requirement, at least minimum 2 GB is enough here. So according to my requirement, I have selected the 64 MSA exe file. Then once I select on that, then the download process will start. So I have selected Power BI desktop x64 MSA, then the click on next button. Once you click on .exe file will get download. This is the way here looking, right? This is the way the desktop exe file will get download. So this will be downloaded in the download folder. So you go there. Once you download it, just you go there and double click on that exe file. So this is a simple double click, then it will ask for the next step. So everywhere just click on next. So then it will be successfully installed in your desktop. Once successfully installed, so how to open the Power BI desktop? So it is installed successfully in your system, but now we'll understand how do you open it and where it is available, where you have to go. Okay, if you want to open a Power BI desktop tool, then first you have to go to the start button. Okay, once you go to the start button, then try just typing search for the Power BI desktop. Then you will be able to see a one icon there. Then double click on it. Then the Power BI window will open. So once you double click on it, the window looks like this. I mean to say, once you double click, then now let's understand, once it is installed successfully, once you opened, what is the next step. So basically now we'll understand how easily can connect with the other data sources, like any data source. Now close to some 50 plus of data sources connection, it is available in a Power BI desktop now. So how? There is a, once you install this successfully, this is the window you will be able to see. Then just click on the get data. If you click on the get data, it will ask you to select a data source from where you want to. Let's think, for this example I have taken Excel file. So get data, then go to the Excel file, then it will take you to the path. Okay, in that path you can select which Excel file you want to export. Once you export like this, then this is the window you will be able to see. Here, this is the main window where you can create a graph. See, for example, I have given a one graph. It is very simple to create the graphs. So actually, regarding this reporting creation, how easily can connect, I'll provide another video. Basically, this is we are stick to. In this session, I am just plan to make you understand how to install, where to install, and how to connect to the data source. So along with this, just I would like to explain few things, like what is the advantage of Power BI if you use. So basically, compared to the other tools, the main thing everyone looks at the cost, right? Basically, cost wise, the Power BI desktop is a less. It is a very minimal cost compared to the Tableau. It would be 1/10th of that cost. Power BI reports can be viewed across multiple platforms and devices. So whatever you prepare by using the desktop, so you can publish it into the server, and the people can be seen in a multiple ways. It could be mobile, Android mobile, iPhones or tabs, like a URL, desktop, laptops. Anyway, they'll be able to see using the Power BI platform easily. Can consolidate multiple data sources through Power BI. So if let's think, if the data is in a multiple places, so you want to collate that, and top of the collation you want to create a reports and dashboards. Yeah, it's very easy. It's a matter of few drag and drops. So can instantly share the dashboard. So one another way, just here you can easily instantly you can share the dashboards with anyone in the organization. It is a just a simple drag and drop functionality. So it is not required any coding background. So if you don't know the coding also, still you can go with that. Basically this is the, it's like a self driven tool. You can learn yourself, no need the, like, this is not too difficult also. Then it has a nice drill down and drill through functionality. All these things may I'll explain in other videos. Actual schedule option for data refresh. So once you set up a process, okay, this is a one time task. Once you have done all the developments, then the publishing, all those stuff, then you can schedule it. So that means you are automating everything from end to end. Okay, write simple sentence to run report queries. Very fast growing. This is a very day by day. If you look at the 2 years back, maybe that was like a 2017 and 16. Tableau was in a higher, but it was in a leader position. Now if you look at the Gartner report, like a Gartner is a company that does all analysis on the tools, and they'll give a ranking based on their performance and their adoptions, all the things in consideration, and they'll give a ranking in that. Now Microsoft Power BI is in top. It was in second place 2 years back. Now it has crossed the Tableau as well. Now is a market leader. Okay, so when there is a lot of adoptions, when there is a, because if the companies are adopting more, that means the opportunities are growing on a Power BI desktop. So hope you got how to install and where to install, how to download, then what is the importance of Power BI. I hope I had cleared all these doubts. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.